Hey guys, welcome back. We are starting on a new sound effect here, which is super exciting. We are actually going to be working on Link's spin attack from Super Smash Bros. On the Wii U, and it's probably going to be out on Switch at this point, we'll see. But let's go ahead and we're just going to start off by listening to our sound and looking at our sound. So as you can see, we have a pretty full sound, and it's a very detailed sound as well. And this specific part of the course, we are going to be going over the spin attack, and we're going to be going over some specific effects and some specific plugins, and we are actually going to be doing this with a very bare minimum number of source recordings. All that we are going to be using is a metal colander, like you would use when you're steaming food, like steaming vegetables in a pot. And we also have a computer duster, which we used. And the computer duster is just a regular computer duster that you spray. And so let's go ahead and break down the sound a little bit. First off, we have this metal impact sound, which is when Link, as you will see, he will draw his sword back. And this was simply done, you can hear the metal in there, that is done with a colander and a, you guessed it, a computer duster. That's really all it is. And then this is the charge up sound effect. And the charge up sound effect is done with the computer duster, but we also added a really cool effect called a low frequency sweeping filter. It's not applied yet. We're going to go over some other stuff why we do not see that effect directly on the track. You will see that shortly. And then we also have the secondary charge up, which acts as our wind sound effect for when he's actually spinning the sword. So that's pretty cool. And we also have the actual metal sound where he's spinning the sword. That sounds pretty cool. And we also have the final impact sound. All together, layers together very nicely, create Link's spin attack. So it sounds pretty cool. We're going to go over a lot of stuff, and we're going to go over my mindset behind creating all these source recordings, why I chose a colander, and why I chose a computer duster for the sound specifically. The computer duster isn't too complicated, but the colander actually has a lot of variation that you can use in the sound design, which is a pretty useful tool, actually. Colanders are actually something I use a lot in my sound design because it's a dynamic sound, and in the next video you guys will get to see what I mean exactly by it being a dynamic sound. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video.